Hi all, my name is Aman Singh Chadha. My roll number is 2012-00007. I welcome all the faculty members of Thapar University. Today I will be sharing my experience of my project semester at iYogi Technical Services. I would like to tell you about my company's domain. iYogi Technical Services is primarily into technical support for Mac, printers, Windows and Android devices. They got 3 offices in India. One is located in Bangalore, another one is in Noida, and the last one where I was working, the site is in Gurgaon. There is only one software department in iYogi Technical Services which is situated in Gurgaon. It was a very challenging experience at iYogi Technical Services. I was hired as a QA testing intern. My responsibility was to make the test cases, test plans, and do the functionality test on the Android devices as well as the iOS devices. I will just tell you my project title. My project was one-tap application. So one-tap application was primarily designed for Android and the iOS users. So in which it is divided into 2 parts. One is the user and another one is the technician. So user and a technician will coordinate through this one-tap application. Now a user can make a request in a 3-way. One is on the ground where a technician will personally visit to the customer's place and fix the issue. The second support is the remote support, in which technician take the access of a user and try to fix the issues over the internet. Now the third and the final support is the chat support, in which the customer and user make a SMS chat and try to fix the issues over the chat. Now one-tap application was primarily needed in the US. This application integrates the 3 freelancing websites. One is the Work Market, the second one is the Field Nation, and the third one is the Service Live. Now what these websites do, they certify the freelancers and do the background check and then give the support to the users. So you can say they are the 100% certified technician who will visit the customer's place and try to fix the issue. So one-tap application can be easily downloaded from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. So there are 2 versions of one-tap application. One is the user one-tap application and another one is the technician one-tap application. In the user one-tap application, user can easily sign up and create an issue. Now these issue can be Mac, Android, Apple or any kind of devices that you're facing. You can just simply create the issue and what kind of support that the user need can select. It can be a remote support, it can be a on-ground support, or it can be a chat support. When the user go for on-ground support, user just click on the technician and he can just select which kind of technician it required, and the user can view the ratings and the overview and the background of a technician, which will be provided from either from Field Nation, Service Live or Work Market. So this helps the user to create this issue easily. So as soon as the user makes the selection of the device that the issue that is facing from, he can click on either of the options. So here's a rush. Rush means that the user needs the issue to be fixed immediately. He needs the technician to visit in an hour. And when it go for standard, so it's a 3-hour windows in which user can select the 3 hours and select the technician to the visiting time. It can be 9 to 12, 12 to 3 or 3 to 6. So user can select the slot according to its need. There's one more facility that user can reschedule the technician according to the need. So we'll talk about one-tap application for technician. The application can be easily signed up from Facebook, Google Plus or LinkedIn. The technician must have their account registered with any of the 3 social websites. If the technician doesn't have any account, he cannot access the one-tap application. So once the customer is able to sign up either from Facebook, Google Plus or LinkedIn, he will land up to another screen which says import the background profile. Now the import background profile can be from Field Nation, Work Market or Service Live. As soon as the technician completes the profile, the technician has to go for a test. So once the test is completed, the technician will get the dashboard. So in this dashboard, as soon as the user or the nearer customer create any request for on ground, the technician will get an alert on the mobile phone. that the new case has been opened for you. So one case at a time will be taken by one technician. So if the case is open and one technician is already assigned, then no other technician can access the case. So now you can relate the things that one-tap application plays an important role in the market. So user can easily connect to the technician, and technician can easily connect to the user with the on-ground support. So there is no different companies, the user get all the 3 freelancing job in one application, which is known as one-tap application. So my role in this one-tap application was to find the malfunctioning within the application, to find the bugs and to update the bugs on the bugs tracker system, and to keep a check on the resolved and unresolved cases. There were certain time when there were cases were reopened and the status were reopened, and we have to retest the cases according to the test case scenario. There were certain challenges while launching this application. However, the application was successfully launched and doing a good job in the US area. So there are 2 more applications that I'm still working on. I'm working on one is the OBD, which is onboard diagnostic, which will fetch the information from the car and give to the user through the Bluetooth. There are 2 devices for OBD diagnostic. One is the Bluetooth device, another one is the GPS with GPS device. Now the GPS device fetches the information from the car when the device is plugged into the OBD socket of the car. So every car has the OBD diagnostic socket. In that we plug in the device. You switch on the car, it can give the high speed, it can tell the location, it can check of whether there is any fault in the car, high braking, high acceleration. So these and records can be stored in the OBD itself and can be shown on the Bluetooth, through the Bluetooth to the phone. Now another is that the GPS device. Now what it do, it had a SIM inbuilt, so just plug the SIM and put the device into the OBD circuit. And now this device fetches the information from the car, hit to the server, and then the data is fetched from the server to the mobile phone. Another application which I am working is the cloud storage, in which the user who has subscribed from iYogi Technical Services get the free cloud space to save their data. So it can be like when a free plan which have the 5 devices can be supported and give this space of 5 GB. However, if you need more space, you can just go and purchase extra space from iYogi Technical Services and you can enjoy that. Now I want to finally thank my mentors and my senior managers at iYogi Technical Services. It was such a great experience working with iYogi. Moreover, iYogi have a very diverse culture in the company and it's such a great place to work. And finally, I would like to thank my Thapar University. It was such a great experience with you. And thank you my faculty coordinators and my students. Have a great day.